This is a really good idea if you want to have and start doing a mesh Wi-Fi network around your house. We have a two-story house here. This is the one that's at the bottom. So basically pool area, outdoors, kitchen and living room area. Look at this. This is not even our main. Nothing is plugged into it. It's receiving and transmitting Wi-Fi 6 speed. It's actually incredible because one is in the guest bedroom and our main one is in our bedroom upstairs. It will envelop, clearly because it's called the Velop, the entire home with Wi-Fi 6, super quick mesh system. And the really nice thing is if you're with your phone, you're upstairs and you're connected to the Wi-Fi, you go downstairs and it seamlessly switches from one node to another. And I'm telling you, since upgrading, it's been way better than having extenders and this and that. This system is an all-in-one system, and man, we are not regretting it at all. This is incredible.